Discover the ultimate cooking experience with our selection of the best outdoor griddles. Perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, or tailgating, these griddles offer versatility and durability for all your outdoor cooking needs. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best outdoor griddles you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which kitchen and dining topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience outdoor cooking like never before with the Blackstone 2311, ranked as the number 5 best outdoor griddles. Featuring omnivore griddle plate technology, this griddle is engineered for optimal performance, boasting built-in wind guards for faster recovery, warp prevention, and fuel efficiency. Its generous 28-inch cooking surface offers 524 square inches of space, allowing you to effortlessly cater to large gatherings, whether it's 21 juicy burgers or 15 fluffy pancakes. Versatility is key with the Blackstone 2311. From sizzling burgers to hearty breakfast or even gourmet paninis, the griddle top accommodates a wide array of culinary creations. Thanks to its 2 independently controlled burners, you can multitask with ease, cooking different components of your meal simultaneously at their precise temperatures. Cleanup is a breeze with the patented rear grease management system, directing grease and food debris to the back for hassle-free disposal. Priced at $377 US. Meet the Nexgrill Daytona 2-burner propane gas griddle with foldable cart, a versatile outdoor cooking solution designed to elevate your culinary adventures. Crafted with a hot rolled steel griddle top, this portable grill offers a spacious cooking surface capable of accommodating multiple dishes simultaneously. The heavy-duty lid with lock ensures the protection of the cooking surface when not in use, safeguarding its durability and longevity. Equipped with 20,000 BTUs of total cooking power across 335 square inches of cooking space, the Daytona 2-burner delivers impressive performance for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Despite its compact size, this griddle packs a punch, allowing you to grill up a variety of dishes with ease, from hearty breakfast to mouth-watering smash burgers. What sets the Daytona apart is its convenient foldable cart construction, providing portability and space-saving storage options. After grilling, simply fold the cart and stow away your Daytona until your next culinary endeavor. With its combination of performance, durability, and portability, the Nexgrill Daytona 2-burner gas griddle is the ultimate companion for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. At a price of just $199 US, it offers exceptional value for those seeking quality and convenience in their outdoor cooking experience. The Camp Chef Flattop Grill 900 stands as a culinary powerhouse, offering an expansive cooking surface and unmatched versatility. With a generous 877 square inch cooking capacity, it's tailor-made for gatherings of all sizes, from family feasts to large-scale events. Its innovative design ensures even heat distribution, thanks to the combination of a spacious griddle and a heat-dispersing grill. What sets this grill apart is its adaptability. From sizzling bacon and fluffy pancakes to perfectly seared veggies, its multifunctional griddle allows for a diverse range of culinary creations. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this grill promises to be your go-to cooking companion. Equipped with 6 powerful stainless steel burners ranging from 12,000 to 18,000 BTUs each, this grill offers precise temperature control for achieving the ideal cook. Cleanup is a breeze with its integrated grease management system, complete with a grease tray, catch bucket, and adjustable griddle levelers. Priced at $899 US, the Camp Chef Flattop Grill 900 delivers exceptional performance and convenience. Introducing the Blackstone 1554, the epitome of outdoor griddles, crowned the number 2 best outdoor griddle. This culinary powerhouse offers a versatile platform for restaurant-style grilling, boasting a spacious 768 square inches of flat-top surface. From morning pancakes to evening steaks, Its expansive cooking area accommodates a wide array of delicacies, complemented by 2 side shelves and a bottom shelf for convenient food storage and prep. Bid farewell to traditional grills as the Blackstone Griddle promises swift assembly and hassle-free ignition with its battery-powered system. Embrace culinary precision with 4 independent burners, granting you full control over heat intensity from low to high. Crafted for endurance, its powder-coated black steel frame and stainless steel burners ensure longevity, while the cold-rolled steel cooktop simplifies post-meal cleanup. Experience culinary freedom with 4 independent heat zones, enabling simultaneous cooking of various foods at their optimal temperatures. Moreover, its patented grease management system facilitates effortless cleanup, ensuring a seamless transition from cooking to enjoying your flavorful creations. Priced competitively at $399 the Blackstone 1554 promises not just a griddle but a gateway to elevated outdoor cooking experiences. Experience the pinnacle of outdoor cooking with the Camp Chef FTG 600, hailed as the #1 choice for outdoor griddles. Crafted to elevate your culinary adventures, this powerhouse boasts a seamless fusion of functionality and finesse. Unbox a world of culinary possibilities as this griddle arrives, meticulously packaged in multiple boxes for secure transit. Within lies the heart of your outdoor kitchen, a versatile flat-top griddle accompanied by a grill grate, offering a combined cooking surface of 604 square inches for griddling and 501 square inches for grilling. Ignite your culinary passions effortlessly with 4 stainless steel burners, each delivering 12,000 BTUs of precision heat. Embrace the art of true, seasoned cooking on a non-stick surface, primed and ready to bring your favorite recipes to life. Effortless cleanup is assured with the integrated grease management system, featuring a tray, catch bucket, and micro-adjust griddle levelers for pristine surfaces after every meal. Priced at $539. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.